Hello everyone, I'm Ellery, and today we're going to understand something very important. What happens when past simple and past continuous come together in one sentence? Let's make it super clear. First, imagine a movie scene. Past continuous is the background scene. It shows an action that was in progress. Past simple is the short action. It's the sudden event that interrupts the scene. So think of it like this: long action plus short action. Rule 1. Past continuous plus when plus past simple. The structure is subject plus was/were plus verb ing plus when plus subject plus verb to. Example: I was studying when you called. Let's analyze it. Was studying. This is the long action. Called. This is the short action that interrupted it. The studying was already in progress. The call happened suddenly. Rule 2. While plus past continuous, past simple. Structure: while plus subject plus was/were plus verb ing plus subject plus verb to. While I was studying. Example: while I was studying, you called. While usually introduces the longer action. Important difference: when versus while. When is often used with short actions, while is usually used with longer actions. For example, she was cooking when the phone rang. Cooking equals long action, rang equals short action. Another example: they were walking in the park when it started to rain. Walking equals background, started equals sudden event. Very important advanced point. If two long actions were happening at the same time, we use past continuous for both. Example: while I was studying, my brother was watching TV. Both actions were in progress. No interruption, just two parallel actions. Another important point: if you only want to report completed events in the past, you use past simple. Example: I studied when he arrived. Here, we are focusing on the fact, not the process. Now it's time to test your understanding. I'm going to read a sentence. You choose the correct answer, A or B. Ready? Let's start. Question 1. I blank TV when she called me. A. Watched. B. Was watching. Pause. Think. The correct answer is B. Was watching. Why? Because the TV action was in progress and called is the short interrupting action. Question 2. They blank dinner at 8 p.m. last night. A. Had. B. Were having. Think carefully. The correct answer is B. Were having, because 8 p.m. is a specific moment in the past, and the action was in progress at that time. Question 3. While I blank to work, it started to rain. A. Drove. B. Was driving. Correct answer B. Was driving. Long action plus short action.